Hello, in this video, I want to install Docker Engine on an Ubuntu operating system. So in the cloud, the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to create an EC2 instance. So let me click on Launch Instance, and I'm going to choose the Ubuntu operating system. So let me call it Docker host. And then I'm going to choose the Ubuntu operating system, right? Then I'll create a new key pair. I'll call the name Docker host one. Then I'll choose this key format. Then I'll create it. So I'm going to save it. Let me save it here. Docker host one, save. Okay. Then now on this, because the next thing I want to do is that I want to connect remotely to that EC2 instance. Let me click on launch instance. So I need to connect remotely on this instance, right? So let me click on this. So this is it, right? I need to connect remotely. So to connect remotely, the first thing I need to do is that I need to come to File, then I need to upload local file. So select File. So I'll come here to where I saved the key, right? This is under AWS. So this is it here. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on Open. So the file is here, right? Localhost 1. Next, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to connect remotely to that EC2 instance. So this is it here, right? Let me click on it. So if I click on connect, so to connect, so let me see. Okay, so to connect, the username will be Ubuntu. Okay, so let me just go to, so I'll click on, before I connect, let me see, SSH Ubuntu, which is the username at, let me get the public IP address. Public IP address. Or let me just get, yeah, the public IP address. Is it paste? Then I'll do I, then the name of the key, which is Docker host 1.m. Right. So let me see. Yes. So, you see permission. Okay, it's too open. So let me change permission. Say hmod 600. Docker host 1.bin. So for the key to work, then I'll try again. Try again this command. Okay, so I'm inside the I'm inside the I'm inside the the instance now, right? So you can see. So let me clear. Then I'm going to, because I want to install, so I'm going to follow all these instruction here, right? To be able to install Docker Engine, right? So I'm going to copy this, copy this, copy this one first, paste. Okay. Then I'll just copy this installation, install using apt repository. I'll just copy this. Let me see if I can copy many at a time. Hope I won't have any problem. Paste. Okay. Okay. So then once that is done, I'll come back. and copy this one, this command, just done. I'll copy, paste, and I'll copy the next command, which is and then come back and copy this one, echo. Just copy everything here and see. Okay, okay. So now, let me see. Okay, so now the next thing I'm install the Docker packages. So I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, yes. And then while that is running, I'll come back and copy this one. Just running. So that is done. Now we'll paste. Okay, unable to find image. Okay, this message show that your installation appear to be working correctly. Okay, yeah. So unable to find the image locally. It's pulling this, and then yeah. So yeah, hello world from Docker. So now let me go back. So this was the one I copied, and let me see if there's other. Okay. So now I'm going to come down here. I'm going to come down to this post installation step for Linux. So manage Docker as a non-root user, right? So that we are not required every time to only use sudo, right? The sudo command. So let me copy this and paste. I think paste. Okay, already exists. Then this one is add your user to, this one is very important. Okay, then log out and log back in so that your group membership is reevaluated. So let's log out and do exit, exit. Okay, then I'll try to connect again remotely. Okay, so yeah, so I've been able to log in back, right? So if I do Docker, yes, or let me say Docker version first. Okay, so Docker is in there. Then let me do Docker. Okay, I'm trying to see. So Docker is already installed. It's already installed there. Is the EC2. Yeah. So Docker is already installed in. Trying to see. So let me see. I run Docker. Oh, I did -ps. So it should be Docker ps. Not Docker. So we don't have any container, right? So if you do If we do Docker -a, to show the hello world, which is already running. So Docker is already installed in this virtual machine. So that's basically how to install Docker on a virtual machine that is running on an Ubuntu operating system.